FTTH, the speed of light to your door. FTTH, fiber to the home, is the gold standard of connectivity. It uses 100% optical fiber to transmit data as pulses of light directly into your residence, bypassing the speed limits of old copper wires. The architecture journey. Central office, OLT, the brain of the network. The optical line terminal converts electrical internet signals into light. F1 feeder cable, high-capacity highways, carrying up to 288 plus fibers from the CO to your neighborhood. FDH splitters, the fiber distribution hub where one fiber is split, using 1:32 or 1:64 ratios to serve dozens of homes passively. F2 distribution, smaller cables branching through streets via underground handholds or utility poles. Splice closures, weatherproof torpedo boxes that protect fiber joints and act as the final tap for your street. Drop cable, the final link, a slim, rugged fiber running from the pole directly into your home's ONT. Why it wins: by using light instead of electricity.